Today we are discuss about what is a function or not, what is a function and pointer, and what is a function invocation, and what is a overloading function. What is a function? A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C++ program has at least one function which is mine, and almost trivial program can be different additional function. You can divide up your code into separate function. How you divide up your code among the different function is up to you. But logically, each function perform a specific task. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function name, return type, and parameter. A function definition provides the actual body of function. The C++ standard library provides numerous built-in functions that your program can call. For example, function strcat to concatenate two strings. This is function memcpy to copy one memory location to another memory location, and many more functions. A function is known as with various names like a method or subroutines or a procedure, etc. Defining a function. The general form of C++ function define it as follow: the return type, function name, open bracket, parameter list, and open curly brace body of this function, and close the tag. A C++ function definition consists of a function header and a function body. Here are all the parts of a function. Return type. What is a return type in function? A function may return a value. The return type is a data type of the value of function returns. Some function perform the desired operation without returning a value in case the return type is a keyword of void. What is a function name? This is the actual name of the function. Function name and the parameter list together constitute the function signature. What is the use of parameters? A parameter is like a placeholder. Function is invoked. We pass a value to the parameter. The value refers to the actual parameter. There are two types of parameter. One for actual parameter, and another is otherwise we call it as a argument. Parameter list refers what is the type of parameter and the order and the number of parameters of a function. Parameters are optional. That is, a function may be contain no parameters. What is a function body? The function body contains collection of statements that define what the function is does. Here, example program. Following is a source code for a function called max. This function takes two parameters, num1 and num2, and returns the maximum between 2. Here we are say that function returning the max between two numbers. Int max equal to in num comma in number 2. It is a local variable declaration. Int result if number greater than number 2, result equal to num1, else result equal to num2. Return the result. This is called one of the example program, local variable declaration. And what is the use of function declaration? A function declaration tells the compiler about a function name and how to call the function. The actual body of the function can be defined separately. A function declaration has the following part: return type, function name, parameter list. The above defined function max. The following is a function declaration. Here int max bracket in num1 in num2. Parameter names are not important in a function declaration. Only the type is required. So the following also int max comma int comma int. We are using any one of this technique. Okay. What is the use of calling a function? While creating a C++ function, you give a definition of what the function has to do. You will have call or invoke that function. Use of a function. you will have to call or invoke that function. When a program calls a function, program control is transferred to that call function. A called function performs a defined task, and when it's returned the statement is executed when the function is calling. In the example program of function declaration, here we are declaring a function int max equal to in num2. Here local variable int, we are declaring a variable int, we are directly assigning a equal to 100 value, b equal to 200. In ret, calling a function to get a maximize value, return equal to ret equal to maximize of a and b. See out, the value will be function returning the maximum 2 value between, the maximum value will be 200. Here local variable declaration int num1, it should be num1 means 100 greater than equal to num2, result equal to num1, else result equal to num2, return the result. This result will be, I kept maximum function along with the main function and compile the source code. While finally executable, it will produce the following result is 200. What is a function argument? If function uses argument, it must declare a variable that accepts the value of arguments. These variables are called formal parameters. While calling a function, there are two ways of arguments can be passed to a function. One by call by value, another by call by reference. Call by type description, call by value. Call by value. The call by value method passing the argument to a function copies the actual value of the argument into a formal parameter to the function. Here the example of function definition with swapping the two values. Void, this is a name of class int x into y. In temporary variable, we declare temp equal to x, say the value into x equal to y. Put y into x and y equal to temp. This value will be stored in y value is stored in temp. Return and close the bracket. Now let us function swap by passing the actual value into the following table. Here void swap into int x and into y. Local variable we have directly declared int a equal to 100, int b equal to 200. Before swap a value will be 100. After swap the value will be changed. Here before swap the value will be 200. After swap the value will be, before swap the value will be 100 and 200. After swapping me, a value will be 100, b value will be 200. How it's changing means, here we have to be declare a equal to 100 and b equal to 200. The output will be declared before swapping value, and calling a, this is called by value, calling a function to a swap value. Calling a function to swap value, here this value swap going to a and b. A and b means this value will be swapping, interchanging. Swapping means here the value will be already we are declared, the value will be 200, the interchanging the value. We can assign the value. This is a call by value, and another one is, what is a call by pointer? Pointer means this method copies the address of argument into formal parameter inside the function. Address is used to access the actual argument used in a call. This is called call by pointer. And call by reference. Call by reference being we have used here address symbol. This is one of the measure of call by reference. Function definition to swap value. Here we have to be declare in same wise we have to be declare here we have to declare void swap int address of x and address of y, temporary variable temp equal to x equal to y equal to temp, and return, and we have to be using here now we have swap function passing the value by reference. Here we have to declare void swap int x and y, and the local variable we are declared here calling. This is calling a function to swap the value using the reference variable. Swap a and b. The swap a and b, it should be interchanging the address value. This is the address value will be interchanging the functions. That after the swapping, before swapping the value is there, after swapping this value. There is two types of function we are using, call by value and call by reference. That is a major use of function declaration. And what is a default value of the parameter? When you define a function, you can specify default value of each last parameter. This value will be used in corresponding argument is left to blank when calling to function. Value is specified, the d value is ignored and passed the value is to be. We consider the following example. This is a function invocation. What is a function invocation? Function invocation means see out circle area my radius less than or equal to end the function. This process actual parameter, this process invocations, the function that contain the instruction statement is expanded and circle area does its job. The instruction statement is then completed using the values applied by circle area. Thank you.